Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Sarah who worked a 9-to-5 job as a marketing assistant at a local company. Although she enjoyed her job, she often found herself struggling to make ends meet, with bills piling up and no real sense of financial security. One day, Sarah decided to start a side business selling homemade candles. She had always loved candles and had a talent for creating unique scents and designs. So she spent her evenings and weekends experimenting with different wax blends and fragrances, and eventually launched an online store to sell her creations. At first, Sarah's side hustle was slow to take off. She only made a few sales here and there, and often wondered if it was worth the effort. But as she continued to promote her candles on social media and through word of mouth, things started to change. Within a few months, Sarah's candle business began to grow rapidly. She received glowing reviews from customers who loved her products, and her social media following exploded. Soon, she was making enough money from her side hustle to pay off her debt, save for the future, and even quit her 9-to-5 job to focus on her passion full-time. Looking back on her journey, Sarah realized the power of a side hustle. By investing time and energy into something she loved, she was able to create a sustainable income stream and achieve financial freedom. She encouraged others to pursue their own passions and to never give up on their dreams, no matter how small they may seem at first.